So now we're ready for the A chord. A chord's really, really simple. It's just, I think of it as 3 in a row. So let's have a look at it now. First finger is going to be on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Now we've got a lot of fingers to push in here, so this finger can come back a little bit. It doesn't have to be in the high point at this stage. You can bring it back to the low point. Still pushing down. 2nd finger underneath that shape on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. All of these notes, all these fingers go on the 2nd fret. 3rd finger, it's a bit of a push if you've got big fingers. It's going to fit in on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. And we've got the open string on the 5th string is played, but we don't play the 6th string. So we're playing from the 5th string down, all the way. Obviously, if it's your first go at A, you might find some of the notes are sounding more like that. That's okay. I'm not too worried about the sound of the chord, because eventually your fingers, the tips of your fingers will harden up and your strength will improve and you'll be able to play a nice chord shape. A few tips to help you out with that A chord. Thumb position on your left hand. Make sure your thumb is around that 2nd fret position, not way behind the guitar, up on the high end of the neck of the guitar. And when you strum that, try to get the tips of the fingers pointing down on the guitar. Not flat, use the tips. It might be uncomfortable, but just persevere, that'll get better as time goes on. And that's the A chord. Now with this chord, there's a few different examples. There's 1, 2, and 3 in a row. Another option, if you've got really large fingers, is to use either your 1st and 2nd finger together, with your 1st finger covering 2 strings, your 2nd finger covering 1 string, or the other way around, your 2nd finger covers 2 strings, your 1st finger covers 1 string. And that's another way of doing that chord. However, persevere as long as you can as 3 fingers, and if it just becomes too much and you've got really large fingers, just use 2 fingers for that chord. Okay?